Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday to all of you. There are several important updates on the fourth stimulus checks in many states across our country. You can claim up to $1,000 for your household. Also, new relief legislations have been proposed. However, there will be some Americans that may receive less than others. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword from each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card. And in a video later today, I will be announcing the winner of today's giveaway.
But that was never the department's job. The Department of Energy is as much a department of science and technology as Department of Energy. For nearly 50 years, it has been at the forefront of scientific discovery and technology innovation. As a seedbed for science, the department has given us the technologies to increase our energy production and use our resources in a cleaner and more efficient way. And the Office of Science lies at the heart of the department's science mission. It's the nation's largest federal supporter of basic research in the physical sciences. Its mission is to deliver the scientific discoveries, capabilities, and major scientific tools to transform the understanding of nature and to advance the energy, economic, and national security of the United States. Leading this important scientific enterprise calls for scientists of great ability and vision. I believe Dr. Berhe is very qualified for this important job. Judging from the long list of academic honors and awards that she received and a long list of scientific papers that she has written, Dr. Berhe has scientific credentials that this job requires. She's a professor of soil biochemistry at the University of California, where she's also an associate dean of graduate education, and holds an endowed chair in earth sciences and geology. The Office of Science itself has long engaged in basic research relating to soil science and broader ecological questions, whether tracing radioactive elements through the atmosphere or the flow of energy, water, and carbon through the Earth's natural systems. So her background is an asset and makes her very well suited to lead the Office of...
Friends, here are some big developments on another round of stimulus payments. The Kentucky Senate recently passed a bill that would tap into the state's massive revenue surpluses to deliver more than $1 billion in income tax rebates to taxpayers. This measure cleared the Senate on a 28-7 vote, just days after being proposed. It would grant state personal income tax rebates of up to $500 per individual and up to $1,000 per household. The proposal next goes to the House, where a separate measure introduced is that it would gradually reduce Kentucky's individual income tax. The sweeping House bill also would extend the state sales tax to a host of services. Republican Senator Chris McDaniel, who is sponsoring the income tax rebate, he stated that the measure would deliver some relief for Kentucky residents struggling with rising prices for fuel, groceries, and utilities. Senator McDaniel also added, "This bill is not a statement about anything other than who gave the money to the state and who needs this money the most." The one-time rebates are expected to cost the state about $1.15 billion. Once this proposal becomes law, the rebate should be distributed to Kentuckians by the end of this summer. There is some opposition from some lawmakers. Democratic Senator Reginald Thompson called it bad tax policy, saying broad sections of the state's population, including retirees and the working poor, would not benefit from the rebates. Instead, Senator Thomas touted a proposed temporary cut in the state sales tax rate as a way to provide widespread relief from rising consumer prices. Democratic Governor Andy Beshear has endorsed that bill, which proposes a one-year cut in the sales tax rate from 6% to 5%. It would also deliver $873 million in tax relief for Kentuckians struggling with rising prices. So friends, please let me know if you reside in the state of Kentucky And if not, please let me know if your state is providing its own residents with its own form of stimulus checks. There are many other state lawmakers that are working on getting more relief passed for their residents. For example, friends, Virginia Governor Youngkin is now proposing a gas tax suspension. Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin has just sent legislation to the General Assembly to propose a suspending of the state's gas tax for 3 months this summer. Youngkin's proposal would suspend the motor vehicles fuels tax for the months of May, June, and July, before slowly phasing it back in August and September. The state tax gas is currently 26.2 cents per gallon for gasoline and 27 cents for diesel. The proposal would also cap the annual adjustment to the gas tax at no more than 2% per year. Friends, the key word for this video is British Columbia. If you would like to enter today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is British Columbia, and additional keywords from any other video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. Governor Youngkin has said in a statement, Virginians need tax relief, and it's time for the General Assembly to act on the multiple tax relief proposals. With gas prices and inflation squeezing families' pocketbooks across Virginia and the nation, and with over $1 billion in extra revenue in our transportation fund, the General Assembly must act now. Virginia should join numerous other states, led by both Republicans and Democrats, in temporarily suspending the gas tax. The money from Virginia's gas tax is deposited in the Commonwealth Transportation Fund, along with a portion of the state's sales and use tax. That fund pays for the maintenance and construction for all modes of transportation. Also earlier this year, Idaho Governor Brad Little approved a bill that would provide Idaho residents with a rebate of 12% of their 2020 state tax, or $75, whichever is greater. The rebates are intended for earners and their dependents. If you are an Idaho resident, you should have received your payment back in March. But those who receive their tax refunds via direct deposit will be the first to see their rebates. Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Please do me a favor, friends, and share this video with your friends and family. Also know that I will be announcing the winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.